Very good afternoon to everyone. Thomas here. Let's start on today's training for Excel. For today's training would be we are having a date and time from a time management system where the staff comes in to work and then goes out, and also for the time break in and out. So basically, as you can see from column A to column E, these are all the raw data that has been captured in the time management system for the staff's attendance. As you can see here, the date and time, we would want to split the date and also the time out to a more readable form. So basically, from here itself, to break out the date and the time, we need to use the left and also the right function. So basically, to break it out, okay, we just put the left function and then we go to B2, and then number of characters, we just put 8. 8 is because that there are 8 characters for the date. All right, so basically it comes out, and then you just click on the bottom right here where the plus sign appears, then you just drag it down to the last record. Okay, then you just do a random checking. 2024, which is the year, 0103. All right, let's check on the next one. 2024, the year, 0104, which is correct. And then now I want to take out the time. Okay, so to take out the time, we need to use the right function. Right, click on B2, and then how many characters? We have to put 8. You can see when you put it 8, the 06 is 6 o'clock in the morning, 46 minutes and 32 seconds. Why I put it 8 is because there are spaces in between here. All right. If I only put 6, you can see, if I just put it 6, okay, if I put it 6, it's only 4 of the characters only comes out. All right. So I need to put 8. All right. After that, just pull it down to get the time appearing out. Okay, we just do a random checking. 090425. All right, this is correct. So now we want to convert the date. Okay, we want to convert the date to become month, day, and year. Okay, so basically from here itself, I want to put it as month, day, year. Okay, how to do it? We need to use the function of date. Then with a combination of left, mid, and also the right function. So left, open bracket, click on the date here, J2, and then 4 characters. Then I use the mid function, click on J2, 5th character, and then put 2 characters inside. Okay, for the day, and then right, click on J2 again, and then 2 characters for the day. And close up another thing. All right. So you can see that the date has been converted. And then to copy paste, just double click on it. And then it will be appearing up for you. And for the time here, sometimes we would like to put the colon, okay, the 2 colon, okay. So the formula to put the time here would be as this, okay, equals left, then H2. H2 is the time here, and then 2 characters, okay, which is 06. Then after that, you have to put a colon, and then you use the mid. Mid here, we are looking at the H2 again. The third character, which is 4, and then add in 2 more characters. So it becomes 46 minutes, and then the semicolon. And then after that, you use another mid, okay, to take the 5th character with 2 characters on it to represent the second. All right. So basically, I hope that you will be able to understand for this training for the Excel is that we are converting the date and time from the time management system machine, which are giving us the raw data of the date and time. And then we are actually converting it to become a more readable date and time for us to massage the data so that it will be able to present it to the management. So on the next step here, you can see that this would be the formulas to perform the necessary. I hope that this training helps you in performing your job better. Thank you very much for your time.